For operations, step number 1, create a general bot for that particular department. So operations, it might be a customer service bot trained on your website and customer service tickets. Some of this now, depending on what software you're using, might be inbuilt into it. I showed you the systemology bot, and we can share the link to that again so you can play around with it. But that's fantastic for your customer service team to answer questions and queries and help accelerate responses for them. Simon has also kindly shared also, everybody's delivery is a little bit different because everybody's selling different products and services. But Simon said, hey, I've got another great example on how he uses this in his operations department, which is effectively he runs a 2 to 3 hour workshop. It's a digital strategy workshop. He runs it with his clients and they pay for it. And it's a 2 to 3 hour workshop, and it's very structured in what he goes through. And then there's a very specific roadmap that he delivers on the back end. The roadmap used to take him a full day to complete, but he went through and followed the process. He had it all documented first on how he was doing it. He developed the prompts. Then he basically has the workshop with the client, transcribes the 3 hour workshop, loads it in, and he's kindly provided both the video of him walking through this and the prompts on how he's done it. And he's basically gone from a full day to create the deliverable of the roadmap down to about an hour. And this is a workshop that he sells. Now, another one that I want to show you, I've just started playing around with this one, but I wanted to show you this one because it kind of leverages off this idea of how close voice agents are getting. Now, full disclaimer, we're not using this yet, but I'm not far off using it. I want to use this to handle incoming inquiries, to book these calls with our team. So I've got it open in the background for me, and I'm just going to run a little test. I've clicked a button. It's going to just close my ChatGPT. So it's now called me.
Hey there, this is Blandy, the AI agent from Bland. How can I help you out today?
Hi, yeah, I was just wanting to find out a little bit more about what you guys do.
Awesome. I'm happy to tell you all about it. Bland is an AI-powered phone platform that makes it ridiculously easy to build phone-based applications and services. We've handled millions of calls already with super low latency and end-to-end infrastructure like transcription, text-to-speech, and custom integrations out of the box. The key thing that sets us apart is how flexible and powerful our AI agents are. We can do things like transfer calls, book appointments, take orders, and even trigger real-world actions, all while maintaining a natural conversation flow. And the pricing is great too. Calls are just 9 cents a minute. So tell me, what kind of business are you in? I'd love to hear more about how you're using phones today and what kind of pain points you're looking to solve. I'm sure we've got a solution that would be a perfect fit.
That sounds awesome. I really like it. I run a business where we help businesses systemize their processes. I'm actually wondering, can I chat with one of your sales agents?
Oh, that's awesome. I'd love to hear more about how you're helping other businesses systemize their processes. That sounds like a really cool service. As for chatting with a sales agent, absolutely. I'd be happy to connect you. Let me just grab the right contact info for you. The best person to speak with would be our enterprise sales team. And you can reach them at hello@bland.ai or through the enterprise link on our...
Now, some of the things it can also do, you can connect it to a calendar and it can check your availability. It can book the call for you and then send confirmation emails to them. Did you see that conversation that I just had with it? And that was a robot, and how it sounds better than some of the offshore call centers that I call. Like, we are close. The technology is knocking at the door. I hope you enjoyed that clip. Just a heads up, it was a snippet taken from the Business Systems Accelerator program, which is the world's first training for systems champions to help you build a systems-driven organization. If you'd like to find out more about the program, head over to systemology.com/BSA, and I'll see you in the next video.